Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can set your fingerprint lock to your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on security and privacy, click on device unlock, and here it is fingerprint lock. Click on fingerprint and make a password like this, and here you have to place your finger on the sensor like this. You can see this. You have to just tap this, and friends, you can see the finger data is encrypted and stored. Click on done and it is set. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.